Spy Ninjas. I am here with Chad, Grace, Steven, Rebecca, and Matt. We are all here at the top secret Game Master escape room house. It's kind of weird because we've never seen this happen before. This is the first time that ever happened. Project Zorgo and the Game Master are here right now together.
Check it out.
Wait, look over there.
Where? To the right? Whoa, there's someone. Who is that?
What is that?
Whoa.
What is that? What is going on?
Is he walking towards?
The Game Master and Project Zorgo are meeting right now. It's like a secret meeting.
What? They both have briefcases.
What do you think they're talking about? Can you guys see anything?
I don't know. No.
It's like a satellite phone or something.
Yeah, it's like a secret meeting, but I mean,
Are they working together, Project Zorgo and the Game Master?
yeah, I wasn't even sure if they even knew each other, but they definitely know each other.
Yeah.
I mean, are they working together?
It looks like they have briefcases on them, guys. Can you zoom in on those binoculars and see what those briefcases say?
Okay, yeah, let's zoom in.
It looks like there's like numbers. It's like a 4-digit code.
Didn't one of you guys find 4 digits in one of your last videos?
Steven!
Yes,
Steven.
on the door.
And the doors,
Oh.
when you guys were trapped overnight in the rooms, there were Post-its with numbers on it. And there were 4 numbers. That might be the code to one of the briefcases.
Okay, we gotta get those briefcases from these guys. Let's keep a close eye on them and see where they go.
Oh, I have a listening device. I can actually play.
Oh, good idea, Matt. Let's go.
They're definitely having a conversation.
Good luck.
All right. Yeah, Matt, listen in on them.
Here we go.
See what you can hear.
What do you hear?
What are you hearing?
I hear it's a lot of water. It's really hard to make out. Okay. I can only hear like every other word. They keep on saying wood? Wood?
Woods?
Wood?
What else? What else do you hear, Matt?
Woods. They keep on saying woods.
It's not Tiger, though.
Oh. Hidden bottles.
Hidden bottles.
Bottles. of woods.
In our video, we actually found some clues in bottles like a
Yeah.
few weeks ago.
Message in a bottle. Oh, wait. He's leaving.
Wait, where's he going?
Oh, you guys, we can't lose the Game
Hold on,
Master.
we gotta go follow him.
Okay.
I can go.
Just the Game Master's leaving.
Wait, what about
Wait, quick,
Project
let's go,
Zorgo?
let's
We
go.
have to follow
Okay,
Project Zorgo.
all right, some of us need to stay here. How about the 3 of us stay and watch Zorgo?
All right, good luck.
Okay.
All right, you guys, good luck.
All right, good luck.
All right, you guys, so I guess the girls are now going to go and spy on Project Zorgo while the guys go follow the Game Master.
Yeah.
Let us know if they find any clues, and if we find any clues, you guys make sure to let them know.
Yeah.
Look, he's going. He's like walking away.
He's walking away.
You guys, we have to go.
All right, I
Should we follow him?
Yeah, let's go. Hurry, guys, hurry.
He went down that way.
He went down. Okay. All right, hurry.
Grab your coat, grab your backpack.
Go, let's go.
Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh, I think I saw Project Zorgo in the woods.
In the woods?
Go, yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Where do we go?
Let's go through here.
Whoa.
What do you think Project Zorgo's doing in there?
I don't know. I'm kind of shocked that they're even together. The GM and Project Zorgo. Okay, but we need to figure out what he's doing here. So we gotta be brave and head into the woods.
Okay, do you guys think we should go in?
All right, you guys, give this video a big thumbs up to give us good luck and that we're gonna stay safe in the woods. You guys ready?
Kind of nervous.
Grace,
no.
Rebecca, you guys ready? All right, Spy Ninjas, make sure to keep an eye out if you see Project Zorgo anywhere and leave us a comment below. Or if you see any clues or anything that's suspicious, let me know in the comments. There's no trail.
I wonder what the boys are doing with the Game Master. I wonder if they found him.
Chad! Matt! Steven!
Where are they?
Where are you guys?
See, which way do we go? It all looks the same.
It all looks the same. Look around, you guys. I don't know where to go, but maybe if you guys see a clue, like to tell us what kind of direction.
But what are we even looking for?
I don't know. I'm looking for Project Zorgo, but we kind of lost him. So I don't know which way. Wait. You guys, look. What is that, Grace? You're closer.
It's like a clue, I think. What is that? Oh no. Whoa, here.
Oh, okay. It's a water bottle with a note.
What?
Sticking out of it.
Do you think Project Zorgo left it?
Maybe.
Do you think this is a clue?
definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've seen those papers before.
You have?
That's
Yeah.
the Game Master paper, though.
Okay, so Rebecca, do you even recognize this? That's not even like a letter or a word. It looks like a picture.
Is it a house or something?
I think it's like a backpack.
Oh, you're right. Okay. This is really weird because Project Zorgo language, they use like symbols and emojis. And this is on the Game Master's paper.
So, do you think that they're working together? Okay, and then we saw them talking over there, right?
Yeah.
And then we saw them exchange briefcases, right?
yeah,
And it
so-
has codes. So
Right. The Game Master's been spying on you guys. Project Zorgo's been spying on us. So are they like exchanging information?
is this Game Master escape room house just a trap for the 6 of us? Oh my god.
What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below
I just
right
got
now.
goosebumps.
Okay, let's move on, you guys.
Okay.
I wonder if the boys are having this difficulty of a time because we don't even have a path.
What if they're getting clues also? I wonder what kind of clues they be finding.
Yeah.
Do you think there's more clues out here?
Also, where did Project Zorgo go? We saw him go into here. He's got to be around. He can't be that far.
It can't be.
It's too hard to run fast in here.
Yeah. Whoa! What was that?
Whoa. Whoa, get down, get down, get down. What was that?
Come here. Is it Project Zorgo or is it the Game Master? I don't know. You guys, shh. Okay. What are they doing? Supposed to be out here, so I don't know. I don't think they know that we're following us. No. What if we weren't supposed to find the water bottle?
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, maybe the water bottle is Project Zorgo was leaving for the Game Master.
And he saw us collect it, so now he's trying to get us.
Oh, wait, did we just find a top secret clue? If we can figure it out, we can stop whatever's going on. We need to find more of these bottles around, so you guys keep an eye out and let us know if you see one and leave a comment below. All right, guys. Did I see anything?
There's got to be more water bottles.
Okay, yeah. Look low and look high. Okay, anything?
Wait, you guys. What? Do you think that's one of them?
Is it?
You guys, I think it might be a clue. Let us know if you think this is one of the water bottles.
It's pretty high, so...
Try and jump. Maybe climb? Can't even get up.
it's gonna fall
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Okay, so I don't think it's safe to climb that if things are
Okay.
falling apart. Should we, like, get a stick or something?
Stick. What about this one? Pretty good. Oh, it's so short. Okay, this might work. Oh! Is it a clue? It has something.
It has something.
Oh no, look, the paper's inside, you guys. We have to try to get it out. Oh no, this might be challenging. Oh.
Get it?
Okay.
Don't rip it.
Gentle.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you
Look.
What is
The
it?
Game Master paper again.
Whoa. What is that?
A music note.
And what is that?
I don't know. It could be.
Lollipop? Microphone? If it's music.
Maybe, but what if the two clues are different? Because what does a backpack have to do with music? So maybe it's like a completely different thing.
Yeah.
You guys, comment down below what you think this means. Do you think this clue goes together with the backpack clue that we just found earlier? Or is this meant for the boys? Because, like, the Game Master's been flip-flopping all of our clues.
I hear something.
Do you hear that? Is that... Okay, wait. What if this is one giant treasure map leading to something big? Like, what if all of them are, like, connect somehow? Wait, you guys, someone seriously. What is that?
Okay, someone's definitely out here. Let's hurry, you guys.
Yeah.
Let's hurry.
V, it looks like something's up ahead. Like, is that a road?
Oh, yeah, there's the road. I think we're heading the right way then.
Okay.
Have you seen anything out there, Grace?
I don't see anything.
Wait, look at that over there, Grace.
You see something?
Yeah, on the tree.
Where? Oh, right there.
Yeah, the bottle.
There's another one.
Wait a sec. Project Zorgo is really tall, and all of these clues are hidden way up high. Do you think it's so
Yeah.
we don't see the clue?
Okay, this is definitely a clue for the Game Master. Oh! Ah!
Whoa, did it fall?
I almost got it, you guys.
There it is. Another clue.
Okay,
This has to be something.
Oh my gosh, it's wet.
What is this? So hard.
You got it?
I got it. Okay, let's see what's in there.
They really wanted to hide this from us. Oh.
Okay, so no words, just more symbols.
What is that?
Okay.
Curve and like a square? Box? Maybe a box. Maybe a mystery box?
Oh, maybe it's the case that they were trying to exchange with each other.
Oh!
Yeah.
What if all the other symbols are for the code,
For
the
the code.
4-digit code?
Oh, let's put them all together to see if we can match it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here are the 3 clues that we found so far. Oh, does this fit together? Not quite.
No.
How about this one?
That looks like an edge too.
Yeah, it's like another corner.
Why does it seem like they don't fit together?
Yeah. Do you think some of these are meant for the boys? Maybe they have some of our clues?
Well, I mean, if they went into the woods, there's a lot of woods out here, so like there could be different water bottles for different things. I don't think 3's enough. I think we still need to look for more water bottles.
Yeah, all right. Okay, just in case the boys need some of these clues, make sure to go over to Matt's channel and leave him all these emojis.
Well, we know we have a music note.
A backpack,
Yeah, and then I don't know, maybe a
don't know what-
mystery box
and then a
candy?
microphone?
Yeah, we have no idea,
I
you
don't know.
guys. We need your help to figure out what these are.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
You guys,
what was that?
No,
What was that?
You guys, we gotta get to the road.
Get out of the woods. Get out of the woods. All right, let's go. Okay, gotta go. Oh my gosh, hurry. Oh. Okay. Oh. Gosh, you guys.
See, it's up to your waist now.
Oh my gosh. Are we going the right way?
I don't know, but I see a road. We gotta get there.
You see a road, Rebecca?
Come on, Grace.
Oh. Okay. Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Be strong. Okay, we're almost on the road.
It's easier to run here.
Yeah, it's a little flatter.
Oh my gosh, so close, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
Are there animals out here? Oh my god, I think I went into the spider web. I'm Oh my gosh, I stepped on something hard. I thought it was an alligator.
We're almost out to the street. Come on, hurry.
Oh, we made it.
We made it.
It's getting dark out here.
Okay.
We should find more water bottles. We haven't found any.
There has to be more.
All the ones we found have been up high.
Yeah. Should we shake it?
Okay.
Shake it.
Maybe there's something up top. Oh, look.
You found something?
Oh, wait, is there?
Whoa. There's another one.
Okay. I'm so scared right now. I got pricklies all over me.
too.
They're on your hair too.
Oh,
It's
no.
in my hair. It's okay. We'll get it later.
We'll take care of it. Let's just try
Oh my gosh.
and see why Project Zorgo and the Game Master are here.
It sounds like someone's watching us, you guys. Okay, do this quick. Okay. We need to meet up with the boys.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
What is it? Another symbol.
It looks like 2 paper clips.
Why would paper clips be a clue?
All right, guys. So far, we have found 4 bottles with the clues. I wonder how many bottles the boys have found.
Yeah,
Wait,
let us
wait,
know,
guys.
you guys, where the boys are. What?
There's someone behind you.
What are you talking about?
I think that's Project Zorgo.
Oh my gosh.
There's 3 of us. We can get him.
We gotta hurry! We gotta get him! He's going around the corner!
What are you guys
What
doing?
is this? What just happened?
Wait,
Are you Project Zorgo?
No!
are you the game master?
Are all 3 of you guys Project Zorgo members?
What is going on?
No.
We were just chasing Project Zorgo. Who was wearing that mask and all that clothes? And why are you guys here?
We were not wearing that, I promise. We were chasing the GM and he just disappeared.
Right here and it's gone.
No, okay, so one of
No.
you is Project Zorgo.
We were not wearing that.
Why are you standing right over this?
Suspicious.
Okay,
I'm not.
I don't know.
Steven.
I don't know why this is here. We were not wearing it, but you guys are standing right over top of the GM pile over here.
We were not. We were chasing Project
No,
Zorgo.
we never even saw the Game Master. We saw only Project Zorgo at the very end, and we chased him, and then we came to you guys, who we have not seen this whole time while we have been trapped in the woods.
Exactly.
It's very suspicious.
Okay.
One of you is Project Zorgo.
We'll solve this right now. I think if we open this up, I think we're gonna find out who is really telling the truth. Let's open this up.